guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I am super excited to be bringing you a collab that I put out and invited a whole bunch of my very talented YouTube friends to join in. I had asked them to recreate a decor dupe, so to create a decor dupe, so to find a piece of decor, whether it's a mantle, a room, a shelf, it did not matter, and recreate it and show us how one piece, something had inspired them to create another thing. So I am starting with my fall decor. So this will be my very first fall decorate with me video, and I will be decorating a mantle in my master bedroom because it is still very early in August and I didn't want it to take down all of my summer decor quite yet. So I'm starting in a room that doesn't have a lot of summer decor to begin with. So I will have a playlist with everybody that's participating linked in the description box. So make sure you check out all the ladies participating because I can guarantee you you're going to have so much decor inspiration in the playlist. And so without further ado, let's get started. Working on this mantle. This mantle is in my bedroom, and it is... I had repurposed this mantle a while back. I have a video that I will link in the corner if you want to see it. It was one of my early videos. And yeah, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to give it just a quick wipe down. So no matter how I decorate it, I keep my essential oil diffuser here. So that will stay. So I have added the big mirror, move back a little so you can see, to here. I used this mirror back last year at Christmas time on this mantle and I love the way that looked, so I thought I can do that again. And then I thought flagging this mirror with these hay sconces would look nice, I think. These are another DIY, my DIYs that I recreated just the other day. I have these two. Not sure if I'll use these. I'm just trying to see how I'll like the look. And then I have this harvest pumpkin that I thought would look good. I'll put it here, but I'm not sure. I might elevate it a little bit, maybe to here or something, just so it shows better, but we'll see. I picked these up at Dollar Grandma. And then I'm going to add a whole bunch of different pumpkins. I don't think I love the hay, how low it is. I feel like it needs to be a little bit higher, or the little candelabras. So I'm going to see if I can do something different there. So I brought a couple different pieces to try and offset things a little bit. Okay, I think I like that a little bit better. I'm just finding that it's very busy on here. I think that looks a little bit better. There, I think that looks much better. I'm going to give you a close-up. So almost all of these pumpkins were either thrifted or came from dollar store or were DIY. Like I mentioned, the greenery came from Dollarama. The hay came from Michael's a while back. This is actually a wine, what are they called? Goblet. Those two were DIYs. And I think this is the theme that's gonna be going through my house, just very neutral, lots of earthy tones, rustic, with a touch of orange here and there. And a little bit of blue. I do love including blue into my Halloween decor. Fall decor. And those were thrifted, and then I had upcycled them a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing that notification bell. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and make sure to check out the playlist. And I would also like to thank all the ladies for participating in this collab. I can't wait to watch all the videos. And make sure you guys watch them as well. So until next time, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.